everybody, my name is Ken and welcome to our brand new channel. This is my first video and this is just an introduction as we explore the crypto universe. We'll also take a look into the stock market, but we're not going to focus too heavily on that. Please do ignore the surroundings and the mass, any noises you hear, as these are things that would all be fixed. We're now starting and I'm not crazy, the mass is just Biden's orders.
Wear your mask.
Why crypto over the stock market is that the potential is there for more gains. The potential is there for more gains, so too is the potential for more losses. This usually happens sometimes when we're new. A lot of the things you see going on, basically, you do, I do. Everyone basically does it. And it's not you, it's not me, it's just something out there. And what we need to do is just educate ourselves against these mistakes. So what I'm really talking about is anytime you're going to get involved in investing, it's usually someone else doing it for you, or you basically go by hearsay. You mention it to anyone, everyone knows it best. You know, everybody tells you, buy low, sell high. You tell me that, I'm going to say buy low, sell high. Unless it's our profession, we're not out there studying some of the industry best practices. We definitely just don't have time. So I just do want to advise you. I myself am not a financial advisor. You want to conduct your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money onto the markets. I know with the internet, a lot of the industry tools are now accessible from your own home, and you can basically sit and do it for yourself. Sometimes it does get confusing. I remember the first time seeing this, it looked like a foreign language to me. And it basically derived from the 17th or 18th century Japanese rice trader, Mr. Homa. I left out his first name, can't enunciate it. However, nothing has changed with it, and it's the same globally. Anywhere you see it in the world, it'll always be the same. Now, sometimes these candlesticks are used to basically tell a story, or they're an indicator for experts. They can be an indicator for anyone, indicators for us. And I remember way back when I was first looking at it, you try to learn one. This is the one that I saw. So this is supposed to be a bullish candlestick. A bullish sign. Where do you find like bullish signs within the bull market? And what's so funny is that if you go by that, if you're one of those eager people like me who just want to jump in, you know, you start to learn it and you're getting ready basically to try to apply what you know. There's no way you're going to look and you're not going to see a bull market. It's always a bull market. The people do say you're supposed to invest in the bull market. So we're definitely always investing. It's always a bull market 24/7 all year round. Now, this kind of like freaked some people out there knowing about uptrends, downtrends, and they're basically trying to save poor Ken. You don't want to go in there. That's actually, and I'm seeing clear signs. And it just so happened, like, I guess the time I started and what I was investing in, just so happens every week or so I went. The first time it was going down, I couldn't get it out, so I saw the button there, stop loss. I was trying to stop losses, which I never executed. Then finally, it's a few months later when I remember to look at it, it just happened to be like going up, and I found myself to be smart. It was up over like 300%. Now, remember that I think that stock was Google. You just put money in and you just watch it go up. I remember that, and I was sitting down saying, what if I had this to put in, how much I would make? And anyone tells you otherwise. It does take money to make money, so don't let anybody tell you anything else. However, it's not always the case. It could go down. Just so happens I'm not sitting watching like the daily or the hourly candles as a day trader would, and basically going through the emotional roller coaster and seeing money disappear right before your eyes, trying to catch this, trying to get that, basically trying to make a living. Sometimes it's really not that easy, or some people do make it look that easy. However, you never know. It's a zero-sum market. Some win, some lose. So this paved the way for the 10 investing commandments. You never want to trade blind. You want to know what you're getting into. You should try to invest during a bull market. You always want to have a strategy. Very important. Never lose money. You want to stay calm, as you don't want your emotions to take hold of you and have you all over the place. Never want to force it. Sometimes the best trade is not trading at all. You want to practice continual learning. Never want to lose sight. The Basically, you always want to be employing the things that you do know. Don't want to get too good, too cocky, and go and like risk everything. Number nine, you do not want to risk what you can't lose. And lastly, you don't want to be a sinner. Now, we will explain these a little later as we go on. As time go on, we will address each individually. So let's start by practicing what we know. We educating ourselves. Here are bullish signs. Let's look here. It's a bull market, and we are blessed. Now, this video is just an intro. It's just a test. And basically, as we go further, we'll unveil this. And I do indeed practice what I preach. I don't put my hard-earned money on the market. And basically, what this is deposits of basically $10, $11 when it does go through. And next time, we'll take a look of how much that became and possibilities of how I got there. I don't think I do have that. And we'll get in more to like charting what we're looking for, what we're trying to do, and trying to make some predictions. So until next time, I'll see you again. If I do get a subscription or a like, definitely will post more videos. Thank you.